say if there is one thing that all Ghanaians agree with, ASEY data to iodine and a data boarding. And as a content creator, buying data is a headache. Serious, say probably ABR or content now creating, you are not getting money from it yet. If I say you YouTube content creator now, unyenya, you monetize wa editing, say auto bundle, or they are uploading every single time and answer every single day. And mind you, Ghana has the best network will be a use MTN, but or move data no channel any easy ni board ba. And most of the times na ankasa me per se more trick be an answer idea me the fact that data not on ho any uploading videos no course video be wo no ma e bia site ne so be 1.3 gig and I say be 2 gig. Into uploading this video no will take huge data and also huge money to buy. And into this trick and most of the time into video make sure how waiting me for so now where you use this trick. And it's not rocket science, it's very simple. You see, I say, me use midnight bundle, and I'm the video uploading. Name no, so me video no me uploading overnight. Into the video no better, I dear son, and I say midnight time the sooner. Already my bundle that, cause midnight bundle no, 3 CDs is equal to 70 something gig. Into 7 point something gig. Into my bundle na be na my uploading video. Me upload video na. If I upload do I made it to private. The private video no. Me no on list. Which mine on list or private, but me no private. Until me upload video no as private. We my journal. No my creating me me title no be am the video not one. Mine private. Until day am person me upload the video no na say me video no ba no. Not just me just hear some few tricks on the video and I say on the video content I'm uploading we are then no about public and one my publisher simple here. Me spending much on bundle when it comes to uploading huge content. Midnight bundle there. Me then I be sure say was in case of say content creator. Yes, and one will be a use. Sanity, meaning say use then make actual way the best trick you could ever use. The name is always HY and you know exactly how you do it. When you subscribe, someone in the but subscribe button so na feed one like video mama no share. I'm Obi Bebwan. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one. Makramo.